So the hairs that I picked up does come from a company called OMG Queen Hair, and it was delivered via FedEx, and I received my hair probably within anywhere from 4 to maybe 5 days. Yes, coming from China all the way to US, it came super duper fast. So here is the texture that I chose, and this texture is called the natural curly texture, and it looks really similar to the last hair that I reviewed, which was their water wave texture. So I would say that this hair is really versatile. If you want like a curly look, or if you want a natural looking wavy look, you can achieve it with this texture. I also received this little package here. It came with a netted cap as well as some thread and 2 needles. It really worked out. When I constructed this wig, I did utilize that netted cap, and that is what it looks like. I'm going to get into the details about the hair. This is their virgin Brazilian, again, it's their natural curly texture hair, and I did receive 4 bundles in a closure, and the lengths 222s, a 20, a 18, and a 14-inch lace closure, and my closure was 4 by 4 inches. And I did make a wig as usual. I always gotta say it in every video. I'll put the video below because you guys always want to know how I make my wigs. I will always put it down in the info box below, so check it out. So now I'm just taking a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going over the front perimeter of the lace because it's always going to be at that lighter color. I don't want it to look like that. Now I'm following up with my contouring palette powder, and I'm just going in the parting space. And here is what the hair looks like in its natural, unmanipulated, no product texture, and I really like it. If you guys can look back on the last company I reviewed for, and I had their water wave texture, it looked really frizzy. However, this hair straight out the pack is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. You guys see all angles. If you guys see that lump in the back, I did not break up my hair, so it's just in a puff. I do have a lot of natural videos coming up, so I just could not invest into some time to braid up my hair. So that is what you're gonna get. But y'all know me, I always gotta go and do extra. So my last video, I did the wet and wavy look, and I noticed that I received a lot of questions where people wanted to know what the hair looked like in its dry texture. And I said to you guys I was going to diffuse this hair once I got the video out. So that is what I'm doing. I went ahead and I spritzed it down with some water, and now I'm applying some of my Eco Stylers cocktail gel, and I'm just going to scrunch it in my hands right before I take out my diffuser, and I'm going to dry this hair. That was what I didn't do on my previous video. I just sort of gave you guys a wet and wavy look, and you guys weren't having it. Y'all were not having it. So this time I do want to let you guys see what this texture looks like in the wet and wavy style. However, I'm going to diffuse it. And I thought that by diffusing this hair that I was going to pick up some volume. I was going to get some nice defined curls, and it was going to be nice and big. However, I do think that the product that I added to the hair kind of weighed it down. So it's going to look a little limp, as you guys can see here. And I think afterwards I was kind of regretting the fact that I did the whole wet and wavy look, because I liked the texture previously before I went and manipulated it. However, to each his own. Y'all know me, I like to just kind of think out of the box and try different things, and, you know, come at you guys with some different material. But here's what the hair looks like in its wet and wavy state. It does still look wet, however, it's very dry and it's crunchy. And yeah, but yeah, okay, so you guys do check out OMG Queen Hair. I have all the information located down below. You guys check out their summer sale as well as their back to school sale, where you can save 20% off of your purchases. Also use coupon code Elise10 if you guys want to receive an additional 10% off of your purchases. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Baby,